What's up, everybody? Welcome to our vlog. That's gonna be a joke. We're gonna make fun of those things in our vlog.
Anyway.
So today we're gonna be using an AI to generate a recipe that we're gonna cook. Why? Because AI has gotten a lot of bad press. AI is gonna take over the world. I want it to cook my food and tell me how to do it. The algorithm we're gonna be using today is called GPT-2. It's a generative text algorithm from OpenAI. It's cool because you can go to this website called Talk to Transformer and play around with it yourself. One of the preset cooking instruction options from the pull-down menu is making an omelet. So today, we're making an omelet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate recipes until it comes up with one that we like.
Making an omelet is simple. Let's begin. I got one. Yeah.
All right, let's go shopping.
Why?
Why? Having fun with this, aren't you?
You ever fill up? You ever? No?
I'm cheap, man.
Our shopping list is eggs, beans, what else?
Tortillas, beans, and cheese.
Okay.
Is an autonomous robot that uses image capturing technology to report spills, debris, and other potential hazards. Incredible use of AI.
Let's go.
These tortillas. What kind do you want?
The most Mexican of all tortillas.
Well, it's gotta be Chi-Chi's.
It has to be Chi-Chi's.
Chi-Chi's. Vamos.
This video is sponsored by Giant. We would just like to say thank you. They bought the eggs, the tortillas, all of the ingredients in this video. If it blows up, we'll let you know.
Okay.
Thanks, I appreciate it. It's gonna be great going forward. Keep it up. New year, new us. Swipe up now.
Smash that like button.
All right, we got the groceries. I would say we're ready to go. What'd you say?
I think so. Ready to cook?
Let's go.
Having a good time out there.
Take one of AI destroying our diets. Cheers. Oh. No, thank you.